Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Wuthering Waves not opening or not working on your iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that your Wuthering Waves game is not opening, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. So the very first thing is that you have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection. Then you have to go back, open your App Store here, and you have to simply search for Wuthering Waves. And here you have to make sure that there is no any pending update for your Wuthering Wave available. If you find pending updates, you just have to try to update your Wuthering Waves app. And after doing that, you just have to simply go for settings app here, go for general here, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you find any connected VPN, try to disconnect with that. And after doing that, you just have to go back, open your iPhone storage section, and here you have to make sure that you have almost up to 5 to 10 GB free in your iPhone storage to run all of your apps smoothly in your iPhone. And after doing that, if you are still facing the same issue, so you have to locate the app in your iPhone and you have to try to uninstall app. Once you have uninstalled, you have to go to App Store and then retry to reinstall the app on your iPhone. After that, your issue will be fixed. Or if you're still facing the same issue, so you just have to make a force restart your phone. Or you can also check for updates on your iPhone. So go for settings here, go for general here, go for software updates. And you have to make sure that you haven't any pending software update. If you find pending updates, you have to try to update your software. And then you have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone until that screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. So after restarting, you have to simply unlock your phone here, and then you have to retry if your issue has been fixed or not. If you're still facing the same issue, so you must have to try to uninstall your phone, reinstall the game, and then try to reinstall it on your iPhone, so it will fix the bugs and the issues with your game. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.